Hello friends, this is Tushar Ahire. First of all, welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel and sorry for the delay that I didn't post any video in this lockdown period. So today we will start with what is forensic science or the basics of forensic science. Okay. So the definition of forensic science says that investigative science, it's an investigative science. Science which is being used in investigation of a crime. So if any crime happens, this science will be there. That science is called as forensic science. Now, in forensic science, we include the examination of homicide, suicide, and accidental death. What is homicide? Homicide is a murder or harming a person with an intention. Suicide, killing of our own self, and accidental means that any accident, like a road accident, falling from a building and all. Now, the examination or the cause of death. What is cause of death? The reason behind the death. That is asphyxia. Asphyxia means the blockage of or the recession of the respiratory system. So, as you can see, this blocked airways, this respiratory tract will be blocked. So, due to this, the person cannot respire. So the due to the lack of oxygen, the person will die. Next, syncope. So syncope means the recession of circulatory system, the heart failure, the most important cause. And the third one is coma, the recession of brain working. Now, the coma is not actually the cause of death. In sometimes coma means just the person is in coma means he's alive but his body is not working, the brain is working, that's it, the brain and heart and circulation, that's it. Okay, so this is another topic of discussion, so we'll discuss it later, but now this is also a type of death or cause of death. So there is a tripod of life in forensic science. Means our teacher taught us the triage or the tripod of life, that is the respiratory system, circulatory system, and nervous system. So this is a tripod of life. If one will collapse in this from this tripod of life, the person will die. Okay. So I hope you understood this concept. Now this is an introductory video only. So we'll just go through the basics of forensic science. I'll not go deep into this. If you want me to make another videos in this medical from for this medical terms, that is what is homicide, suicide, asphyxia, okay, then types of death, cause of death. So I'll prepare another video on this. Now we'll move forward now. So this forensic science majorly includes the processing of crime scene. Means what? The processing means how to treat or handle the crime scene. Okay. So in that, some steps are there. The first is identification of crime scene. Means is that crime scene or what type of crime scene is that? Then barricading the crime scene, entering to the crime scene, collection and packaging of the evidences, and the last one is forwarding the evidences to the forensic science laboratory. Okay. So as you can see, this is a crime scene. Okay. You can see this is a crime scene. So first they have identified the crime scene. Okay. Then they have entered. This is barricading. This is barricading though. So this is crime scene protection. This yellow tape is the barricading tape. So then they have identified the objects or evidences. Then they will collect it and we have to send it to the forensic science laboratory. Now branches of forensic science. So there are main 5 branches of forensic science. Crime scene management means this, that the management of crime scene, that is crime scene management. Then fingerprint and question document means the impressions of fingerprint. Then question document means any forged document or suspected document, that is bank statement or bank checks, bonds, that comes under question document. Then physics, chemistry, and biology. So forensic physics, forensic chemistry, and forensic biology. Now, this physics, chemistry, and biology are further divided or further subdivided into the physical evidences. Physics is divided into physical evidence and ballistics. So, physical evidences means the evidences which can be handled or which can be seen. So, those are physical evidences like glass, soil, paint chips, weapons, anything. Then ballistics, the study of firearm and ammunition, means guns and the ammunition, that comes under physics. Now we'll move towards chemistry. Chemistry includes toxicology, that study of pesticides or toxic element, that comes under chemistry. Then forensic chemistry. So the forensic chemistry means the examination of food adulteration, ink adulteration, and many more things are there. Okay. Then biology. So biology includes medicine, that is autopsy, means post-mortem. Then DNA fingerprinting. Then anthropology. Anthropology is the study of skeleton or body structure. And what is DNA fingerprinting? DNA fingerprinting is the matter, means DNA fingerprinting comes under maternity and paternity disputes. Now, the other areas of forensic sciences are engineering, accounting, archaeology, botany, wildlife forensics, psychology, linguistics, serology, and odontology. Now, engineering means suppose any building collapse, so it comes under engineering, that like civil engineering, accounting, the bank frauds. Okay, then botany, then wildlife forensics. So the wildlife forensics is a very interesting subject. So the poaching of the wildlife animals, okay, the illegal killing of wildlife animals, that comes under wildlife forensics. Psychology, the human behavior. Linguistics, serology, the study of body fluids, that comes under serology. And odontology. So forensic odontology means the study of teeth pattern, or dentition pattern. Okay. Now, what do they do in this forensic science? So forensic science means what they are doing in forensic science. So the collection and analysis of physical evidences like glass, paint, any weapon, metal object, soil. Like so, this is the glass or the evidence glass. This is paint chips. Okay, soil from any crime scene. Okay, then these are the weapons like firearm or guns, and this is a knife. So this comes under physical evidences. Okay, then the forensic expert provides a testimony before and during trial of court. So what happens, any forensic expert, he have or she have to provide a testimony or his findings to the court, that they can reach to a result. Then the sending of evidences collected from crime scene. Okay, so the forensic expert have to collect the evidences from crime scenes, such as physical evidences as well as biological evidences like blood, hair, saliva, urine, skin, etc., to the forensic science laboratory for the further examination or examination. So the forensic scientist will collect all the evidences in appropriate manner, and then it will send to the forensic science laboratory for the examination. Then the chemical and biological techniques will be used for the examination of biological and chemical evidences. And we have to, or the forensic scientists have to documentation. They have to document the findings. Means what are the results of that finding or the examination of particular evidences. They have to find it, they have to document it, and then they have to send it to the further authorities. Then the last point is the preparation of the reports on the basis of their findings. As I told you, they have to come to the result after forensic examination of the particular evidences. Then they have to document it. Then they have to make a document. They have to make a document, and then they have to send it to the further authorities. So their advice or their testimony can withstand in a court. So if what means what the forensic scientist is resulting or giving the result, that should be that should have a particular base. why they given this particular result. So they have to prepare the documents or reports, and then they have to send it to the forensic science laboratory. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon for immediate updates. Thank you so much.